Hey, what's up everybody? What's up YouTube? What's up tier fans? This is Psycho Bug here, and today I'd like to share with you my Transformers Kingdom Tigatron. Hey, what's up everybody? So here is my Transformers Kingdom Tigatron. And here's the front view package looks like. There's the side. There's the back. There's the other side. And here's the front again. Now excuse me while I go open this package up. And here is Tigatron out of the package. And here's the front view looks like. And here's the side view. There's the back. There's the other side. And there's the front again. And for the accessories, here is his blaster gun right there. Get that focus. There you go. And this part looks like a brain, shooting brain juice out of it. And also comes as the tail, which is for whipping. And for comparison, here is Shadow Panther. See how that looks? And with back to back. See if that looks. And with G-Tor. See how that looks. And back to back. See if that looks. And with Primal, see how that looks. And back to back. See if that looks. And with Air Razor. See if that looks. And back to back. See how that looks. And finally, but not least, here is Red Trap. See if that looks. And with back to back. See that looks. And we're going to transform Tigatron into a beast mode. And to do that, so we take Tigatron right here, and we're going to lift up the head up, push down the head down, and pull the head down as well. Lift up the head, and swing to the back to connect to the back right there. Okay, now we're going to lift the hand up, lift the other side, and we're gonna attach this notch towards this one, to this one right here. Swing it. there. Same thing with the other side. This one with that one. Oops. This one right there. There you go. And we're going to fold the whole chest in. And connect with these two. There you go, and bring down the front leg. Right there. And from the back, we're going to fold out the back foot, the heel. Fold it down and fold it back like so. And we bring down the front leg in, the back leg in, like so, like that. And make sure the inside is pushed all the way out. Same thing the other side, push this thing all the way out. Like so, like that. And we're going to fold the leg, back leg in, fold it in, and rotate. And basically it. And forget the tail that goes in there. And there you have it. Tigatron in a beast mode. And for comparison, here is Shadow Panther. And back to back. See that? Ah. See that? Back to back. And with Cheetor. Damn it. See that looks. And we're back to back. It's on. See that looks. And with Primal. See that looks. And back to back. See that looks. And with Air Razor. See that looks. And back to back. Damn it. Keeps on falling. See that look. And finally, not these. Here is Rat Trap. And back to back. See if that looks. And there you have it, folks. This is the Tigatron from the Transformers Kingdom, and it's the same transformation of the Shadow Panther and G-Tor. And this is it for me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, give me some few comments what do you guys think. And remember, this is my first time doing a Transformers review, and I'll see you in the next video.